This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Center, Realtors property video is presented by Peggy Manning. Beautifully redone 2-bedroom, 1-bath plus a 1-room and bath office or studio in Riverside Addition. Open floor plan with lots of windows and natural light. Gourmet kitchen with white quartz counters and soft white cabinets make this a kitchen any cook would love. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Gorgeous bath with soft white features. Wrap-around porch. For more information, review the details below.